Welcome to our channel, the go-to spot for all things forestry machinery. From classic chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, we spotlight the equipment shaping the timber industry. Hit subscribe and explore the dynamic world of forestry with us. Let's start by tackling the impressive job of felling this massive 10-foot cedar tree. The steel MS-88, with its 42-inch bar, excels at cutting through the thick trunk, combining precision and power for effective land clearing and large-scale forestry tasks.
Easy to go. Oh man, way easier. So hopefully it doesn't go right down the hill.
Watch as a 1,000-year-old red oak tree stump with a massive 1.5-meter diameter is sawn into large wooden slabs using a high-powered saw. Each hardwood slab reveals the beauty of nature's craftsmanship as this ancient giant unveils its hidden history. The Ponce Elk K90 delivers 204 horsepower and a load capacity of 13,000 kilograms. Its 10-meter crane and 8-wheel drive excel in rugged terrains, making it perfect for efficient timber handling and rapid log loading in forestry operations. Let's watch how the John Deere 2054 logger operates with its 159 to 180 horsepower engine, processing up to 90 cubic meters of wood per hour. Its 10 to 12 meter limit delimber and efficient tracks ensure smooth operation on rugged terrain. Next, let's look at the John Deere 437E with a 160 horsepower engine. It processes logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter at a rate of about 60 cubic meters per hour. Its 15.5-ton build ensures high-efficiency timber harvesting. Powered by 300 bar pressure, the Logmax 7000C offers a cutting capacity of 713 millimeters and a feed speed of 5.2 mpс. Paired with a John Deere 1470G, it excels at felling large, branchy trunks, making it ideal for efficient logging in rugged environments. The skid steer rotating tree saw for ASV RT120 features a 60 to 80 centimeters blade and 360-degree rotation. It offers a reach of 3 to 4 meters, allowing efficient cutting of trees and branches close to the ground and from extended distances. Clearman Industries HD852 debarker tackles tough bark removal while preserving wood. It processes logs up to 52 inches in diameter, features a welded steel base frame, and uses a 75 horsepower TEFC motor for enhanced efficiency and power. With a cutting diameter capacity of up to 48 inches and hydraulic flow requirements of 150 to 200 LPM, the ProMac HDM48, used with 300 horsepower machinery, efficiently delimbs and debarks trees, enhancing log quality and forestry operations. The Datemer Kegel-Spalter DKS 140, with a splitting force of 140 tons and a log diameter capacity of up to 100 centimeters, efficiently splits large logs using a hydraulic system, ideal for heavy-duty wood processing. With a lifting capacity of up to 10 tons and a maximum reach of 14 meters, the Liebherr LH35M timber, powered by 322 horsepower, efficiently handles and transports large timber loads, ideal for timber yards and forestry operations. Let's see the Mibor HTZ 1200 Plus horizontal bandsaw in action. With a cutting width of up to 50 inches and a length of 6 meters, it features a 75 kilowatts motor for efficient softwood processing, perfect for high-volume sawmills. The Posh Split Master is perfect for high-volume wood processing since it has an ergonomic design, a log lifter, and a splitting power of 30 tons. It can handle logs up to 1.25 meters in diameter. With a 40 horsepower engine, the Energreen RoboGreen Evo features a 52 inches working width and handles up to branches. It efficiently mulches both forest undergrowth and grass, offering versatile land management solutions. The wood splitter bottom delivers a powerful 20-ton splitting force, handling logs up to 17.7 inches in diameter and 43.3 inches in length. It efficiently splits wood for firewood and processing. It's powered by a 7.5 kilowatts engine. This is the Foley Bells A14, featuring a 48-inch blade and robust headstock. This iconic saw, emblematic of sawmilling's golden age, excels in precise timber cutting. The Fecon Trim X offers a 26-foot working height and 180-degree rotating blade. It efficiently trims limbs up to 12 inches in diameter, enhancing productivity and safety, especially around live wires. Perfect for agriculture, landscaping, and tree care. From towering trees to crackling flames, firewood production transforms trees into energy. Join us in exploring this incredible process from tree to fireplace together. Let's take a look at a powerful saw, the Logosol B751, with a 29.5-inch log diameter capacity and a 23.6-inch cutting width, ideal for small to medium scale operations. It ensures precise and efficient lumber cutting. This is the CBI 6400 CT grinder with a powerful 1050 horsepower engine. It handles materials up to 24 inches in diameter and processes up to 100 tons per hour. Ideal for heavy-duty wood recycling. The Halverson HWP-120 handles up to 1.5 cords of wood per hour and cuts up to 20 inches in diameter. It operates from your cab, making wood cutting and splitting efficient. Featuring up to 600 horsepower, ALV transport truck excels in transporting timber with a maximum wood payload of 30,000 kilograms. Designed for challenging forest and mountainous terrain, it ensures efficient, reliable delivery in difficult conditions. Feast your eyes on the Vitum 1000, a mobile debarker with a 39.4-inch diameter capacity. Engineered for precision and efficiency, it excels in stripping bark from large logs, showcasing German engineering excellence in the timber industry. This is the Class Serion 4000 with an NHS 450 wood chipper, featuring 524 horsepower and handling logs up to 17.7 inches in diameter. Ideal for efficient wood chipping and forestry, it combines power and versatility. John Deere 7730 tractor, 230 horsepower engine, 12,500 kilograms weight, paired with Rotor-S stump crusher, capable of handling stumps up to 800 millimeters in diameter, ideal for heavy-duty stump removal and land clearing. The Sanibogan 718E features a 180 kilowatts engine, 12,000 kilograms lifting capacity, and 18-meter reach, ideal for recycling yards and ports. It excels in material handling with robust performance and precision. The mini excavator brush cutter one tackles vegetation up to 6 inches in diameter with a cutting width of 24 to 36 inches. Ideal for land clearing and site preparation, it efficiently handles overgrowth. The TT-4 forestry tractor boasts 150 to 180 horsepower, handles up to 15 tons, and excels in challenging terrain. It's ideal for hauling large logs, providing robust traction and power in rugged logging environments. Thanks for diving into forestry machinery with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the powerful equipment transforming the timber industry. See you in the next video.